Maps aren't just drawings, they provide direction and open gateways. Today we're making a landmass, frame, and compass. I'm starting with pencil, drawing just a free form shape to be the main landmass. You could also do it like in a corner and have it not be an island, but I've chosen to make mine an island. And then I'm putting some smaller islands off to the left and right. Then I'm going to go in a thicker marker and make more intricate lumps and bumps of the landmass to be more interesting. And I've also gone and made it thicker. So remember, you can pause the video as you do the steps, but I didn't need you to watch every step. And then I put some waterways coming in and a little bit of stippling to give some texture to our landmass. So just some random dots around the edge and around the rivers, and I did the same to the islands. Then I'm just going alongside the edge of the landmass with some broken wavy lines to show the waterways and around the islands as well. And I'm also going to put like some letter M's that are like the waves off in the water, which we'll do some other videos about what you could have in the water, sharks in the water, krakens in the water. And I decided to throw in the compass on this video. I've just traced a circle and I put a plus sign with the bottom part longer for interest and an X through it. And I did it in pencil to try to get them about the same, but it does look like a hand-drawn map. And then these triangles, I just gave them a little bit of an arc to make it more interesting, and I put a smaller circle in it to make it more interesting, but customize that how you want. I've chosen to use a triangle so you could see through it to make the frame, but you could take a picture frame or a book and lay it over it to make a frame. And I doubled the frame so then I could put in a pattern. So I would start in the center and count the same number of lines out to the left and right of the center. I hope you give this a try. Like and subscribe for more map making tips and elements that not only help you design your world, but also guide you towards your next adventure.